of it.
Moss.
What? Moss. This is the moss.
Wow, spongy. Can you feel?
Spongy.
Don't disturb don't crush it. Be gentle when you walk. You're walking on life. This is life. This is what keeps us energized. This is the life. The sponge means it's the humus. Humus. That's the richness of the soil. That's how they grow in here. Look, pine kernels. All this will be. Are you looking?
This is for the squirrels. So
Are you
we
looking?
can get this for the bait.
Look at that one there. Have a look.
We can
Have
get
a look.
one of this.
Feel.
Bait it.
Feel how it is.
It'll scratch, itch. I don't know how to say.
Listen.
Feel it.
Listen.
Feel it. Sharp.
Pine kernels. Why is it pine kernels? Pine trees.
Pine trees. Already? We're moving the forest. Obviously. We might get one of these sticks to be hiking.
You use without it. What are you going to do if an animal comes at you?
Use the stick.
Why?
What about if there's a bear?
You have to speak to the bear.
Speak to the bear?
Yeah. Leave the stick. It doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the forest.
You're right. Let's just go more deeper in the forest. Look.
Walk gently in the forest. The forest doesn't want you to come if you are heavy on the forest. Go gently on the forest, right? What happens if you go gently? Oh, hello. What's happening? You're scared? Are you scared?
Just come. I'm just gonna go deep in the forest.
Okay. And then? If you want to go deep, you got to go here. That's how it is. You scratch your legs. Look at here. Look at these. Look at here. Look at the flowers.
Look, see? I mean, lavender. See? That's lavender, right?
It looks purple. I don't know if it's lavender or not. Look at this.
What is white and...
Look at this moss. Forest moss. Amazing. Let's cross through here. Come, cross through here. Cross through here. Through here. Through here. Through here. Leave it. Leave it, please. No. Why are you moving? They're in a design. Nature's design, this is. Look at what flower is here. Look at this. A bone.
Look,
Wow, that's the teeth
that's the teeth of what?
of a jaw
A jaw of what?
of an animal. This is what, look. Wow, look.
I'm gonna show it to Mom.
No, mommy can see from here. She didn't want to come. Look,
Look,
the
Mom,
jawbone.
look. The jawbone.
Wow. So this is, oh look, you're standing on a leg.
A leg?
Some animal was dead here. Something has eaten. Wow. Come. Wow.
Here.
Look at this here.
Called?
Look at this.
What is this called?
What's that?
What is this
Oh,
called?
they must be.
What is this called?
Leave it. Leave it.
But what is this called?
You're not supposed to touch anything in the forest. You're not even supposed to walk. They're growing. Can you see? They're putting the new pine trees in this little gap. Can you see the orange? Here, here. There's the markers. Look. Wow.
Try to
Walk.
find something that ate the bones. No.
Keep walking that way. Look at this. Go through there, go through there. That's probably, wow, spongy?
Spongy.
Amazing, man. Are you enjoying the forest?
Hello. I don't know. Bones. Even the jaw.
Jawbones with the teeth.
Uh-huh. No, video.
And the picture.
Come. Yeah. Leave your car there and let's come.
Let's go now.
Find more.
We'll find another forest, Lucas. Let's go.
You drive, I drive.
You draw.
You think I can drive?
Keep going.
I find so difficult.
Lucas. Wow.
Find more jaws or bones. Let's find more.
Stay there. Don't go on the mud. Don't go on the mud.
Let's find more jawbones or
We'll have to find another thick forest.
another what?
Thick forest.
What's a thick forest?
It's crowded like this. So much.
To find bones.
Yeah.
So
So
let's go here.
some animal has eaten that. They will eat you the same way, right?
So come.
What?